Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an important safety topic that every company in the construction industry needs to take seriously. Protruding objects and the critical need for compliance with Regulation 36 of the Occupational Health and Safety Act and Regulations 213/91 at Ontario projects. This isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about protecting lives. Main content. Too often, we see companies cutting corners when it comes to impalement protection. They might be saving a few dollars, but the cost of neglecting proper safety measures can be catastrophic. Workers are left vulnerable, facing risks of falling onto dangerous protruding objects like exposed rebar, rods, nails, screws or sharp edges, risks that are entirely preventable with the right precautions. Regulation 36 is clear. If a formwork tie, reinforcing steel, a nail or another object protruding from concrete or another surface may endanger a worker, the protrusion shall be removed, cut off at the surface, or otherwise protected as soon as practicable. Any protruding object that could pose a hazard must be removed, covered, or otherwise made safe. Despite this, countless sites across the country fail to comply. Instead of investing in proper impalement protection, such as rebar caps, protective barriers, or even eliminating the hazard altogether, some companies gamble with workers' safety. What's even more concerning is the culture of neglect around these dangers. In some workplaces, the threat of a worker falling onto a protruding object is not just possible, it's evident. And yet basic measures to mitigate these risks are ignored too often due to complacency and more often due to time restraint. It takes time away from production and most of the times. Personnel thinks, what's the point? It's short-term duration and the history of labor won't show up. Let's go and get it done. As safety professionals, workers, and employers, it's on all of us to hold the industry accountable. Every worker deserves to come home safe at the end of the day. That starts with eliminating unnecessary hazards and enforcing compliance with safety regulations, and for sure with company procedures, right? Conclusion. Remember, safety isn't optional, it's a responsibility. If you're a worker, speak up when you see unsafe conditions. If you're an employer, take action to ensure compliance with Regulation 36. It is all part of the internal responsibility system and of a well-functioning safety management system. And if you're on the outside looking in, raise awareness about the dangers of protruding objects in construction. Together, we can build a safer industry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more safety tips and discussions. We will expose these unsafe practices through visuals and awareness. NRT Safety Consulting is on the rise and strong.